Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set language switch key if it's not available in the typing keyboard of your phone, Nothing Phone One. First, go to the typing interface and see here language switch key is not available. Instead of emoji key is available here. If you tap on it, only emojis will be showing. So if you want to bring back language switch key here, you have to change some settings. Go to the settings first. Go to the settings of your phone and click on system. Click on languages and input. Click on screen keyboard and click on Gboard. Click on preferences, and here this setting is already turned on. Show emoji switch key. Show a dedicated key to access emoji when turned on. The language switch key cannot be shown. So as this emoji key is turned on, language key is not visible. So you go to turn it off. Now language switch key is showing to you. See in the typing interface. Go to the typing interface and see here emoji key is replaced by language switch key. So you can switch between language. Now Tamil, English available. Now English keyboard is available. So in this way you can easily bring back language switch key in your phone, Nothing Phone One. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.